Have you ever seen an energetic 75-year-old stroll outdoors while someone younger wobbles? The truth is, each morning your body quietly breaks down muscle, especially in the legs. Without the right breakfast, this process speeds up, leaving you feeling heavier on your feet over time. But there's a simple fix. By tweaking your morning meal, you can protect muscle, improve balance, and walk with more ease. In this video, we'll share 5 everyday breakfast foods recommended by experts that help people 50 plus keep leg strength and mobility. Ready to feel stronger in the morning? Let's dive in. 1. Whole boiled eggs are simple but powerful for muscle. Each boiled egg offers complete, high-quality protein, all 9 amino acids, plus leucine, the key fuel for rebuilding overnight muscle. The yolk adds vitamin D, B12, and choline, helping your nerves and muscles communicate better. This can sharpen balance and reaction time, which matters as we get older. Boil eggs about 8 to 10 minutes until hard, then cool in ice water. They'll peel easier. Enjoy 1 to 2 eggs with avocado or veggies. The healthy fat helps you absorb the nutrients. Don't worry about cholesterol. Most studies say 1 to 2 eggs daily is fine for heart health. Instead of sugary cereal or toast, try eggs in the morning. Over weeks, this simple swap can strengthen your legs and keep your energy steady. 2. Oats and chia seeds. Oats and chia seeds form a steady energy team. Oats, especially steel-cut or rolled, are rich in beta-glucan fiber, which helps balance blood sugar and calm hidden inflammation in muscles. They also provide plant protein, iron, and magnesium, nutrients that tired muscles crave for energy and repair. Chia seeds add omega-3 fats, calcium, and potassium, supporting nerve signals and reducing muscle soreness. Chia turns to a gel-like texture when soaked, giving a slow-release energy boost. To prepare, soak oats in water or milk and cook until creamy. Stir in a spoon of chia at the end. Sprinkle in cinnamon or ginger for flavor and extra anti-inflammatory benefits. In a rush, try overnight oats. Mix oats, chia, and milk in a jar. Refrigerate overnight, and enjoy chilled in the morning with berries or banana. This oat and chia breakfast fuels your muscles steadily. Make it a habit, and over time you'll notice more endurance, better flexibility and balance during your daily walks or exercises. 3. Slightly unripe. Bananas might seem simple, but a firm, slightly unripe banana is packed with muscle helpers. It's loaded with potassium, which prevents cramps, vitamin B6, important for nerve signals, and resistant starch, a fiber that feeds good gut bacteria. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, boosting minerals like magnesium and zinc that muscles need. This combination keeps your muscles and nerves fueled and coordinated. Try slicing half a firm banana into your yogurt or oatmeal, or bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit with a smear of almond butter and cinnamon for a warm treat. Quick tip: peel the banana from the bottom end to easily get all the soft fruit. Eating one of these unripe bananas each morning gives your legs a solid energy boost. Over time, you may notice you get up from a chair more easily, walk with steadier legs, and feel less tightness overall. 4. Greek yogurt. After a night's sleep, your body can start to break down muscle tissue. To flip this process, begin with protein-rich Greek yogurt. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt has nearly double the protein of regular yogurt, including casein, a slow-release protein that steadily feeds your muscles through the morning. This is especially helpful after 50, when bodies need extra protein to rebuild muscle. Greek yogurt also provides calcium and vitamin D for strong muscles and bones, plus probiotics to improve your gut health and nutrient absorption. Top a cup of Greek yogurt with fresh fruit, a handful of nuts or seeds, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. A drizzle of honey adds natural sweetness. You can even use Greek yogurt on toast instead of butter or cream cheese for a protein boost. Just 1 serving of Greek yogurt each morning can help your legs recover from overnight and power through your day with steadier energy. 5. Salmon and oily fish. Oily fish like salmon, sardines, or mackerel are muscle support champions. They're loaded with omega-3 fats, EPA and DHA, that reduce inflammation and help muscle cells recover faster. Omega-3s also help your body use protein more efficiently, crucial as our protein needs rise with age. These fish pack vitamin B12 and D2. B12 keeps nerve signals sharp, avoiding that shaky feeling, and D strengthens bones and muscles. For breakfast, try a simple salmon fillet. Brush it with olive oil, season with lemon and pepper, and pan-sear a few minutes on each side. Or poach fish gently in broth with ginger. No fresh fish? Canned oily fish are an easy backup. Mash sardines or mackerel on whole grain toast or mix into a salad. Include oily fish a couple of times a week. You may soon notice fewer leg cramps, less stiffness in the morning, and steadier movement. Over time, these small changes make your legs and body stronger. Small changes add up. A boiled egg, a bowl of chia and oats, a firm banana, a cup of Greek yogurt, or a serving of salmon may seem ordinary, but each one strengthens your legs and energy over time. If you found these tips helpful, please hit like and subscribe for more. Comment below which breakfast you'll try first, and share this video with someone who might benefit. Remember, every morning is